Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Kroger Boost membership. Cancel Kroger Boost delivery subscription. So first of all, if you are using a mobile smartphone, then you have to go into the Kroger app, and you just have to click on the three dot that will be provided on your app interface, and you just have to click on that. And after clicking on that, you can see a option like Boost membership. You just have to click on that, and after clicking on that, you can see a edit your Boost membership option. You just have to click on that, and here on the bottom you can see the cancel subscription. You can just click on the cancel subscription, and after that they will ask a reason why you want to cancel the subscription. You just have to select the reason you are canceling it, and after selecting it, you are good to go, and your Boost membership on Kroger is now cancelled successfully. And if this not works with you, then you may cancel your participation in Boost at any time by contacting Kroger customer care. Make sure to go to their website and contact with their customer care. And that's it for today's video. That's how you cancel Kroger Boost membership, and see you on the next video.